Good morning, English 10. After you take attendance, please go to the week 12 slides. Today you're going to have a discussion on pages 191 to 198, which is the Julius Caesar competition reunion. You can do the discussion either verbal or written. This will be worth 5 points. It's going to be combined with our discussion from last class on pages 182 to 191 for a total of 10 points. So today you'll initiate and participate in a collaborative small group discussion by answering teacher and student created questions. These are actually questions that the classes created last year. Since we have limited time, I didn't have you guys create the questions. However, some of you will be creating questions of your own, but if you do the small group online discussion, those are created by the students last year. Okay, if you choose to do the verbal whole class discussion, so a lot of you indicated you wanted to do that same type of thing we've been doing. I'll give you about 5 minutes. You're going to prepare one question you want answered, and then you're going to choose one impactful quote and be prepared to describe why it was impactful. And your goal during discussion will be to try to build on each other's ideas, talk twice, and use strong textual evidence to support ideas. And as usual, be prepared to answer follow-up questions when I bring them to you, which you all did great with last time. Your second option, if you want to do the online class discussion, you're going to go to this new program I found called Parlay. If you're absent or not prepared for discussion, so if you didn't read the assigned text, then you have to complete the online class discussion. So you click on the Parlay link. I'm logged in as a student right now, so hopefully what I see is what you'll see. It says review the prompt, submit your response, and then you'll join the discussion. So your learning goals are on the left. It gives you directions. It says refer to pages 191 to 198 to answer the questions. You must use evidence in at least 3 of your responses. So you're answering all 5 questions, and then after those questions are finished, you should reply to at least 2 other peers. So why is this different? Well, you have required questions, whereas in the whole class discussion, verbal, your peers are creating the questions. So there are 5 questions. You will just go write your responses here. If you want, you can do it in a Google Doc and then copy paste it over. So you would just do 1, answer it. For at least 3, you need evidence. And then when you finish, you just hit the blue submit response. I'm just going to type I'm done so that I can submit my response. Confirm. And then it says you're going to review your responses, provide feedback, and build on ideas. So to make sure you get that communication component with your peers, you need to provide feedback to at least 2. So you can edit your response if you need to, and then if you want to comment on other people's, you can leave a comment, and there's some STEM starters. All right, so you'll just fill that out and hit send. I agree because, so don't just say this is great. You need to build on the idea just like you would in the normal discussion. So you just need to do that for 2 comments. The only other thing I want to say is you might have to come back to that because you have to wait for your peers to be done. Okay, so that's how that works. If you have any questions or something's not working, let me know, but just be aware if you're doing this typed up discussion, I'll be in class doing the verbal discussion, so you might have to check back with me. All right, hope you all have a great Thanksgiving break and, enjoy yourselves to actually take a break.